Welcome to this short tutorial for ZoomPoint, an intelligent PDF presentation tool powered by Orient AI. First, we open the Orient AI website. From the main website, we go to the software section where ZoomPoint is introduced as one of the available software solutions. On the ZoomPoint section, we can see the download option. This button allows users to download the ZoomPoint setup file directly from the website. After downloading the setup file, we open the download folder and locate the ZoomPoint installer package. This file will be used to install the software on Windows. Now we right-click the downloaded file and extract it. After extraction, we open the extracted folder to access the ZoomPoint installation files. Next, we run the setup file. The installation wizard starts, and we follow the installation steps until the process is completed successfully. When the installation is complete, ZoomPoint is ready to use. We close the installer and return to the Windows desktop. Now we open ZoomPoint. The welcome screen appears with the message, "Welcome to ZoomPoint." To start a new presentation, we use the menu button at the top left side of the software. From the menu, we select the option to create a new presentation. ZoomPoint now asks us to select a PDF file that we want to use for the presentation. We choose the required PDF file from the computer. After selecting the PDF, ZoomPoint loads the document and displays the first page inside the main workspace. On the left side of the window, we can see the Presentation Settings panel. This panel contains timing settings, presentation mode, zoom area tools, page navigation, view controls, and the Start Presentation button. The first important setting is the zoom speed. This value controls how fast ZoomPoint moves from the full page view into the selected zoom area. The next setting is the hold delay. This value controls how long each zoomed area stays on the screen before moving to the next area or returning to the page view. To define a zoom area, we click Add Zoom Area. Then we draw a rectangle on the PDF page around the part that we want to highlight during the presentation. ZoomPoint supports two presentation modes. In automatic mode, the software moves through the zoom areas automatically. In by click mode, the presenter controls the movement manually by mouse click or enter key. After drawing the zoom area, it is added to the zoom area list. Each zone is saved with its page number and position, so ZoomPoint knows exactly where to zoom during the presentation. Now we move to another page using the Next Page button. This allows us to define different zoom areas on different pages of the PDF. On the next page, we again use Add Zoom Area and draw another rectangle around the important part of the page. This is useful when a PDF page contains many details and we want the audience to focus on one section. After setting the required zoom zones and timing, we click Start Presentation. ZoomPoint now starts presenting the PDF based on the selected mode and zoom settings. ZoomPoint can store multiple zoom areas. The presenter can prepare all important sections before starting the presentation, instead of zooming manually during the session. The Edit and Delete buttons allow us to manage the selected zoom zone. We can modify a zone if it is not correct, or delete it if it is no longer needed. There is also a Clear All Zones on Page button. This is useful when we want to remove all Zoom areas from the current page and prepare them again from the beginning. During the presentation, ZoomPoint smoothly moves from the full page to the selected Zoom area. This makes the PDF presentation clearer, more focused, and more professional. ZoomPoint is designed for meetings, training sessions, product presentations, and any situation where a PDF needs to be presented in an organized and professional way. Thank you for watching this ZoomPoint tutorial.